The United States and China are set to resume high-level trade negotiations on Monday in London, as both sides face mounting economic pressure and global concern over the escalating trade war. Washington's delegation will include Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, and U.S. Trade Representative Jameson Greer. Representing China, Vice Premier Hu Lifeng is expected to remain in the UK capital for the entire week. President Donald Trump expressed optimism about the meeting on social media, stating that it should go very well. His comments come shortly after a rare phone call with Chinese President Xi Jinping. While the conversation produced no major breakthrough, both leaders agreed to plan reciprocal visits in the future. The talks follow a fragile 90-day truce reached in May, which temporarily paused tit-for-tat tariffs between the two countries. However, tensions remain high. U.S. firms have raised concerns about Chinese restrictions on rare earth exports, crucial for industries like auto manufacturing, while China has criticized American curbs on exports of advanced technology, including chip design software and parts for nuclear power facilities. Broader issues, such as U.S. accusations of China's role in the illicit flow of fentanyl, remain unresolved. Meanwhile, fresh economic data from China on Monday revealed the mounting toll of tariffs. Exports in May rose just 4.8% from the previous month, well below April's figures and marking the slowest pace in 3 months. Imports fell even more sharply than expected, signaling weakening domestic demand. Analysts noted that earlier surges in exports were likely driven by U.S. companies rushing to stockpile Chinese goods ahead of new tariffs. The data also showed steep declines in Chinese imports of oil, coal, and iron ore, while producer prices contracted by 3.3%, the sharpest drop in nearly 2 years. Consumer prices also extended their decline. In a symbolic move highlighting softening consumer sentiment, U.S. coffee giant Starbucks announced it would cut prices on some iced drinks in China. These economic headwinds are increasing pressure on Beijing to act. Last month, Chinese policymakers introduced cuts to benchmark interest rates, and more stimulus measures are widely expected in the coming months.